Welcome to this video on the dynamics of voltage stabilization. We will analyze the mechanics of boost regulation, autotransformers, and variable load protection. Electrical grids are often unstable and prone to fluctuations. Undervoltage, where input drops below nominal levels, can lead to equipment overheating, malfunctions, and hardware degradation. Stabilizers bridge this gap between unstable input and a safe operating range. The objective of stabilization is to act as an intermediary buffer. A voltage stabilizer increases low input voltage to a safe level, ensuring consistent power output regardless of grid behavior. Phase 1 involves detection and monitoring. The system constantly monitors the incoming line, with the microcontroller identifying any deviation from the set standard, triggering corrective action. Boost regulation is achieved through an autotransformer. By utilizing more turns on the secondary winding than the primary, the device physically steps up the electrical potential. Method A is relay-based switching. The controller activates an electromagnetic relay, which physically switches the connection to a new tap, resulting in an instant jump to boost mode. Method B, servo-controlled precision, is used for high-accuracy applications. A motor-driven arm continuously adjusts the tap position, providing smooth and seamless voltage regulation without abrupt steps. The VA constant illustrates the conservation of energy, where power equals voltage times current. As voltage is boosted, input amperage must increase to maintain the balance of energy physics. The final outcome is the restoration of stability. The stabilizer absorbs the chaos, delivering a stable output, typically within a small percentage of the nominal voltage. Voltage stabilization acts as a shield against malfunction. It provides real-time undervoltage correction, preventing overheating and degradation, and ensuring absolute reliability for protected assets via simple physics.